India, Brazil, Russia, and the British nations turning away from the US dollar, China and South Africa work with Ripple Labs to create a worldwide CBDC on the XRP ledger. It's hardly surprising that important organizations like the Federal Reserve and Congress Treasury are rushing to include XRP in their systems. They understand the benefits and efficiency of the XRP ledger and are keen to use it for their financial platforms. In the context of this global change, there are also notable developments taking place in the Cape of Legal Land. Ripple Labs has started to join the community. The growing interest from U.S. government agencies in using the Ripple system for payment facilitation sparked the most recent stage of negotiations with the SEC, which includes a settlement $20 million payment to Ripple for institutional XRP sales that could be the end of the continuing Ripple SEC litigation. In the meantime, prestigious private banking institutions, including BlackRock, J.P. Morgan, Wells Fargo, and Wall Street companies, are actively acquiring XRP and attempting to utilize its advantages rather than merely watching from the sidelines as of late. Even further, a BlackRock report that was released claims that XRP is not a security and that it would be used for payments. We go right in, hit the like button, click subscribe, turn on notifications. The Federal Reserve currently intends to employ XRP for its feeds blockchain section. The use of payment systems is growing. This comes after multiple reports that now clarify the Fed's position. Payment Services Initiative, which highlights Ripple, a company well known for its expertise in cross-border payments and open-source distribution ledger technology, is integrating blockchain technology for quick conversion between fiat and stablecoin. This initiative represents a major step forward in bridging traditional banking with the world of decentralized finance. As one of the high-tech businesses that feed plans to work with professionals connected to Ripple and the Federal Reserve, as well as analysts, have acknowledged this in public on several occasions. This collaboration is consistent with a larger trend in which the U.S. is moving more and more toward using Ripple for its central bank digital currency initiatives. A good illustration of this is the choice made by the National Bank of Georgia to collaborate with Ripple Labs on their venture into CBDCs. It makes sense that analysts are anticipating a barren market in light of these developments. XRP costs roughly $10,000. The sheer volume is the basis for this forecast. XRP is anticipated to facilitate transactions, especially in its function. Within the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, ISDA, where it is expected to manage more than $1.2 trillion in transactions. The potential for XRP's value increases when we take into account the scale of transactions within a single entity as wealth starts to flow through the XRP ledger. The increasing use of XRP by organizations and governments all over the world, who are realizing how effective and quick it is, highlights this. Sometimes hearing potential in light of these circumstances is unexpected. Cautious assessments of XRP's value in US dollars, particularly given its potential to rise to $1,000 or higher, being carefully examined by specialists and enthusiasts in the field due to the rumored acquisition of XRP by more than 19 central banks. It's growing more and more given that these transactions have totaled around 9.4 billion euros. It is evident that XRP is becoming a major global digital asset. In the acceptance and assessment of XRP according to ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence system, the value of XRP is expected to rise significantly in the next few months, with the head of the International Swaps and the Derivatives Association, IDA, highlighting the critical role that XRP plays in the financial industry. According to the ISD, XRP is necessary to enable the endorsement of over 1.2 quadrillion USD in the futures market. Locations. The reason behind this massive inflow of investment into XRP is Ripple's standing among the financial industry's titans, including J.P. Morgan, BlackRock, and Goldman Sachs. Central banks are actively seeking to integrate the XRP ledger into their systems for cross-border payments rather than merely buying XRP as an asset. This is clear. Benefit these banks' extensive XRP acquisition, as they view it as an essential tool for the CBDCs they are creating. Okay, everyone, let's change tack and talk about BNB, the sponsor of today's video. Check out this platform for an amazing staking opportunity where you can make significant rewards. Provide an incredible 333 APR. These are quite excellent rates for the things they are giving, which include Binance products. Easy-to-follow guidelines, the creative creator of docs, and BNB DAO follows rules and is perfectly attuned to the environment. Later in the film, we'll show a clip that emphasizes this idea because of this. Several central banks have contacted Ripple with requests to establish their CBDCs on the XRP ledger to use Ripple for more effective and affordable financial transactions. Due to these changes, analysts have revised their estimates for the future value of XRP. There is increasing agreement regarding a possible spike to $250 per XRP in the following months. The information in the next video will shed further light on why you heard correctly, folks. A sizable price hike is not only feasible but also becoming more likely. But first, before we get into the exciting video's main content for today, including reports, connected documents, and an astounding XRP price prediction. In the next few weeks, let's establish the scene. Verified analysts and even a well-known capitalist firm are predicting that XRP's value will soar and that it may turn investors into millions, possibly going back several months. In a remarkably brief amount of time. Renowned for being a global leader in the public blockchain is a perfect platform because it is made especially for processing payments and producing currencies. For digital currencies issued by central banks, Ripple has modified itself to fit this technology. The collaboration between the public and commercial sectors will be crucial to the development and broad acceptance of CBDCs, providing a private version designed for central banks. The public sector, which includes governments and central banks, will design and implement policy. You've heard it straight from Ripple officials. While Setter establishes the fundamental guidelines and puts the key capabilities into place for both wholesale and retail CBDCs, the private sector is where we'll witness the birth of creative use cases. The fact that many governments and central banks are actively interacting with the Ripple Labs development team to implement their CBDCs using the XRP ledger is consistent with the abundance of data indicating that CBDCs and Ripple Labs are working together more and more, involving some of the world's largest nations. As an example, consider a recent country developing its CBDC on the XRP ledger, according to a bold news item. Upon deeper inspection, the paper indicates that more than 15% of states worldwide, including the Russian Republic of Palau, may choose the XRP ledger as their CBDC platform. The Montenegro-Uruguay Hong regime Japan leading this project are New Zealand and the United Arab Emirates. This motion is about to place XRP. Let's examine why a $10,000 valuation for XRP is not only realistic but also necessary, as the platform that facilitates over $1.20 quadrillion in transactions requires a price point of approximately $10,000 per XRP coin. Arthur Brido, co-founder of Ripple Labs, has also underlined the need for XRP to be scalable at a level suitable for worldwide efficacy. Jimmy Valley, the managing director of Valley Hill Capital, agrees, speculating that XRP may be worth anywhere from $110,000 to $35,000 a coin once regulations are in place, particularly if it ends up serving as the global bridge currency to highlight the regulatory developments. The SEC is rumored to have made Ripple an offer of settlement. Under this arrangement, Ripple would only have to pay $20 million in ION dollars, making sure that institutional XRP sales are not categorized as securities. Since the SEC's cancellation of a crucial settlement meeting suggests that a settlement announcement is about to occur, it seems likely that this offer will be accepted. A thorough 584-page report that includes the opinions of hundreds of Americans on the possible establishment of a U.S. CBDC is contributing to this movement. The Federal Reserve's interest in the XRP ledger for CBDC development is highlighted by the over 111 mentions of XRP. This attention, along with the enormous transaction volume of $1.2 quadrillion, firmly supports a $10,000 price for XRP as we see these developments unfold. According to analysts, XRP may eventually rise to a long-term value of $10,000 to $35,000 per coin, with a quick short-term spike to more than $500. Remember that I am not a registered financial consultant and that the information in these videos is solely for amusement. A huge surge might happen in a few months, signaling a revolutionary time for XRP and its stakeholders. I always advise viewers that before making any financial decisions, they should do their research and speak with experts. Many thanks. If you liked the video, please tune in. Kindly click the like button and remember to hit the subscribe button. Ensure that the notifications are turned on to be the first to know about the introduction of fresh content that I'm eager to watch. I hope you enjoy the upcoming video.